What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to configure remote desktops with Windows 11. So you're going to configure this remote desktop to allow other user on the network to access your PC. So we're going to bring the Windows settings so we can configure that. To bring that, we're going to use Windows key and I. So this is the shortcut that we are going to access this. So as you can see, we are on the system, so let me scroll down so I can find the remote desktop. So I'm going to click at the remote desktop. As you can see, by default is turned off. So whenever you're going to click here, as you can see here, required devices to use network level authentication to connect. So if this is not checked, so it's not require network level authentication. So make sure this is turned on because it should require the authentication to connect to your system. So here we are going to turn on this. As you can see, the default port for remote desktop is 3389. So as you can see, when we are going to turn on, it's going to ask us that you want to enable remote desktop, so we want to confirm this. Yes, we want to enable it. As you can see here, it's also show me the PC name which I can use to access this PC. So as you can see here, we have this remote desktop users. So which users you want to allow to access to this PC? It means what kind of users you created for a remote desktop. So here I didn't create anyone, but if I want to use a user to access this PC, so simply I'm going to select my user. So as you can see, it's going to list all this administrator, all these users. As you can see here, Firdaus is my user, and also I can add more local accounts, so only local account is going to access. Not only I can go with a specific user, I can add the local accounts as well. So here, as you can see here, we have this Firdaus. So if I select this everyone, so everyone in this PC which already has a username, so by using their username and password I can access this PC. So what I am going to do here is I'm going to select this Firdaus, click OK, and I'm going to click OK, and here I'm going to click OK again. So now if you watch one of our videos that we made or create users inside our Windows, so here I'm already select this Firdaus. So whenever anyone want to access this PC, so they require to enter the same username Firdaus and the same password for the user account that they want to access my PC over here. So this is how we can configure remote desktop with Windows 11. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video. And also, if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.